Alright dudes, skiing at Lake Louise. Pure ice. It's a nice drink. Yep.
That's a nice drink.
It's a nice fucking drink. What's up, Coomrats? Just made it to Golden. What do you got there, buddy?
Ooh, nice little Miller Lite here.
Little parking latte, as he says.
Boys, just found a homeless in the parking lot. We got the lug in. Get in there, boy.
I'm moving in.
Walking in the hotel like that, they're gonna think he's a fucking psycho. We're going into the hotel motel. My beer is leaking on my bag. My balls are leaking out my dick. This is Homeless Hunter, episode 1. This is the light. Get in there, Mike.
Everybody show their cheeks.
Okay.
We're at the pool. Watch out, boys. I'm coming in. I'm not diving. The boys. I don't care if it's loud.
Hi, Kyle. Let's go, boys.
Kyle's getting on the lift. You're going the wrong way, bro.
Bro, you can't park there. Bye, Kyle. Bro, you're going the wrong way.
The boys are out here on CPR Ridge. There are some icy sections, but I guess I'm going.
Yeah, it was kind of nuts.
Little white wall action here. You barely even see the ridge. Holy fuck. That was insane. Can't see like 3 feet in front of you. White wall gets its name for a reason. Crazy shit.
We're live.
We're live, buddy.
Steeper than I was expecting. I just followed you and then all of a sudden stomp.
Legs are cooking. Yeah, boy.
It's a burner, man.
It is a burner. It's nice. See that bird?
Where?
That white, there's a little white bird right there. I think they're pretty rare.
This has got to be a double as well.
Might be. I don't think James is having a good time up there. James! James! James!
You're right. Cat Jack.
Bye guys.
Grab the pizza buns.
Have your order, please? Here you go, daddies.
No, I tried to go to Facebook and it said not supported on this device. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It is what it is.
Damn it.
He wasn't ready for the G.
The weeds are getting active.
Okay, that's good. Oh, that's the better method. It is March 8th at 7:12 a.m. Today's the last ski day with the boys. We're skiing and then they're staying here tonight and they leave back for Calgary tomorrow morning.
There's still a dead snare from where I landed.
Oh yeah, I forgot Chris's shit. It'll
Fuck everybody.
see it out. It'll see it
God
out.
damn it.
Come